If we recognize ourselves spiritually poor, everybody in the world will be a saint for us, because we will see their treasures. When we think we are the most spiritual person in the world, everybody in the world is a Dalit. Everybody is invisible. And we walk around like we were God, and there was nobody else around in the world. That is pride. So today's message on the Feast of All Saints, and on the feast of the patron saint of our beloved Metropolitan Methodius, Saint Methodius of Constantinople, we are to do self-examination, because Saint Methodius is known for restoring the icons in the church. Every time His Eminence is presiding, his sermon always includes the restoration of human icons. We don't have to restore the icons in the church anymore. They are there. We do not have to just remember St. Methodius that he did this great thing. Now we have a different task. The human icon is distorted. Humanity of the human beings is distorted. Kindness, love, care, humility, those are the things that are missing from the image of our icons in our hearts.